Finding the right lip gloss can transform your entire makeup look. Whether you're aiming for a subtle shine or a bold, plump finish, the perfect gloss can add that extra touch of glam. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best lip glosses on the market. Each product stands out for its unique formula, lasting power, and gorgeous finish. Stay tuned to find the one that suits your style and needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. The Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm is an iconic lip gloss loved by makeup enthusiasts and professionals alike. Created by Rihanna, this gloss is designed to flatter all skin tones while delivering a dazzling shine. Key features: the gloss balm is enriched with shea butter for a hydrating finish and features a universally flattering rose nude shade with a touch of shimmer. Its XXL wand ensures smooth and even application, while the formula boasts a non-sticky texture that feels lightweight on the lips. Benefits and usage: perfect for everyday wear or special occasions, this gloss enhances the natural beauty of your lips while keeping them moisturized. The subtle shimmer adds dimension, making lips look fuller and more defined. Usability: with its easy-to-use applicator, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm is beginner-friendly and great for touch-ups throughout the day. Its universally flattering shade means it complements any makeup look, from minimalist to full glam. Durability: while it isn't a long-lasting formula, the gloss wears evenly and leaves a soft sheen even as it fades. Reapplication is effortless, ensuring your lips stay glossy and hydrated all day. In the second spot, we have NYX Butter Gloss. The NYX Butter Gloss is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Known for its smooth, buttery texture, this gloss provides a rich, creamy finish that feels as good as it looks. Key features: available in a wide range of shades, from nudes to bold reds, the Butter Gloss delivers medium coverage with a glossy sheen. The lightweight formula glides on effortlessly, leaving lips soft and comfortable without any stickiness. Benefits and usage: ideal for both casual and formal settings, this gloss adds a pop of color and shine to your lips while nourishing them with its creamy texture. It's perfect for layering over lipstick or wearing on its own for a natural look. Usability: with its compact packaging and precise applicator, the NYX Butter Gloss is convenient for on-the-go use. Its extensive shade range makes it easy to find a color that complements your skin tone and style. Durability: while the gloss doesn't last through meals, it wears off gracefully, leaving a subtle tint behind. Frequent reapplication is needed, but the formula's smooth texture makes it a pleasure to reapply. Coming in at number 3 is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. The Dior Addict Lip Maximizer is a luxury gloss that combines high shine with lip plumping benefits. Known for its elegance and performance, this gloss is a favorite among beauty enthusiasts looking for a touch of sophistication. Key features: enriched with hyaluronic acid, the Lip Maximizer hydrates and plumps lips while delivering a glossy, mirror-like finish. It comes in a range of shades, from clear to subtle pinks and nudes, making it versatile for any look. Benefits and usage: this gloss not only enhances the appearance of your lips but also improves their texture over time with regular use. The cooling sensation upon application adds to its plumping effect, making lips appear fuller instantly. Usability: the precise applicator and compact design make this gloss easy to use, whether you're at home or on the go. It's perfect for layering over lipstick or wearing alone for a natural yet polished look. Durability: the Lip Maximizer's formula is long-wearing for a gloss, lasting several hours before needing reapplication. The plumping effect and hydration also linger, ensuring your lips stay comfortable and nourished. Taking our 4th spot is Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Polish. The Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Polish is a cult favorite gloss that delivers intense shine and a noticeable plumping effect. Known for its tingling sensation, this gloss is ideal for anyone seeking fuller, more voluminous lips. Key features: available in over 100 shades and finishes, including creams, shimmers, and high-shine glitters, this gloss caters to all preferences. It's infused with vitamins A and E for added hydration and nourishment. Benefits and usage. The plumping effect is both instant and noticeable, making this gloss a great choice for a bold, statement lip. Its wide shade range ensures there's a perfect match for every occasion and skin tone. Usability. Despite its slightly sticky texture, the full-on lip polish is easy to apply and reapply. The tingling sensation may take some getting used to, but adds to the gloss's plumping charm. Durability. The gloss has moderate staying power, maintaining its shine and plumping effect for a few hours. Frequent touch-ups may be needed, but the nourishing formula ensures your lips stay soft and supple. And finally, at number 5, we have Glossier Lip Gloss. The Glossier Lip Gloss is a minimalist's dream, offering a crystal clear, high-shine finish that enhances your natural beauty. Known for its simplicity and elegance, this gloss is perfect for everyday wear. Key features. The formula is enriched with vitamin E and jojoba oil to keep lips hydrated and smooth. It's available in clear, holographic, and tinted finishes, providing a subtle variety to suit different preferences. Benefits and usage. The Glossier Lip Gloss adds a glossy sheen that makes lips look naturally plump and healthy. Its non-sticky formula is comfortable to wear, making it ideal for those who prefer a low-maintenance lip product. Usability. With its sleek, compact packaging and easy-to-use applicator, this gloss is perfect for touch-ups throughout the day. Its understated elegance makes it versatile for both casual and formal occasions. Durability. While the gloss isn't long-wearing, it fades evenly and leaves lips feeling soft and hydrated. Reapplication is simple, and the nourishing ingredients ensure your lips stay in great condition. A good lip gloss is more than just a beauty product, it's a quick and easy way to elevate your look. From the luxurious Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm to the minimalist charm of the Glossier Lip Gloss, these top 5 lip glosses offer something for everyone. Whether you're after intense shine, hydration, or plumping power, one of these options is sure to become your new favorite. So go ahead, pick your perfect gloss, and let your lips shine.